Hello and welcome to University. On my previous videos, I talked about Windows and various tips about PC. I also shared some important videos on Android devices. If you need, you guys can check them also. Let's talk about this video. For various purposes, we need to record our PC screen. Sometimes screen recording is very essential for our daily tasks. Suppose you want to share something from your screen with your friend, but you don't know how to record the screen. Not to worry, then this is the video for you. Many of us don't know how to record screen on PC. On this video, I am going to show you how to record screen on PC. You can record screen in various ways. I will show you the best and easiest method on this video. Before starting, all you need a screen recorder application called OBS Studio. First, go to your browser, then type OBS on search bar and press enter. Go to the first website, then download the OBS installer. Now go to the folder where you downloaded the installer file. Open the installer file and install the OBS Studio. After installation, open OBS Studio. Here you can see the interface of OBS Studio. Now from right side corner, go to settings, then go to video tab. Here you can manually set your resolution, FPS and many more. Now go to scene option on the left bottom corner, click on plus option, and if you want to rename your scene, rename as you want or keep it as a scene, then click OK. Then go to sources tab and click plus option. Here you can see many source options like audio capture, game capture, display capture, window capture and many more. You can select as you need. Let's show you how to capture window. Select window capture and click OK from here. From window options, select your desired window which you want to record. As example is in my case, I have Chrome in background and Task Manager in background as you see. Now which window I want to record, just I have to select here. After selection, click OK. Then go to your right bottom corner on the screen. Here you can see an option for start recording. Click on it and your recording will be started. Record a specific window, not the whole screen of your PC. Now let's see how to record the whole screen of your PC. For that, go to source again and add a display capture. Then click OK. Then a window will appear to select the display source. As example, you have multiple monitors connected with your CPU. Here you have to select the specific window or display which display you want to record or capture. For a single monitor, skip this step and press OK. Setting up all these things as I showed you, simply go to your right bottom corner, then click start recording. Here your recording will be started. While recording, simply minimize the window of OBS to the background. After your recording is done, open the OBS from the taskbar, then click on stop recording. Here your recording will be stopped and it will be saved automatically on your video folder. Then go to video folder from this PC. Here you will find your recorded file. Let's show you a sample recording. Here I am recording something like I'm opening my channel. Here I am recording just a sample. You can see after recording I am stopping my record. Then I will show you playing my recorded video. Here you can follow me as I am doing. So using OBS Studio, you can record screen or anything which is on your screen of your PC. I hope this video will help you. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.